Tired of losing potential customers because they can't easily reach you? Let's bridge the gap and connect your WordPress website directly to the power of WhatsApp using Wati. First, log into your WordPress dashboard on the left-hand side. Navigate to the Plugins section and click Add New. Now, in the search bar, type in Wati. You should see the official Wati plugin appear in the search results. Click the Install Now button on the Wati plugin card. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin. With the plugin activated, you'll now see a Wati menu item in your WordPress sidebar. Hover over it and then click on Settings. This will take you to the Wati Settings page. Here, you'll need to paste your Wati API token. You can find this token within your Wati account. Switch over to your Wati account. Usually, the API token can be found in your profile settings or under the API section within the Wati platform. Copy this token to your clipboard. Return to your WordPress Wati Settings page and paste the API token into the designated field. Then, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. And that's it. Your WordPress website is now connected to Wati. Visitors can now easily reach you via WhatsApp with a click. Start engaging with your customers like never before.